Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to change the side marker lamp on your 2000 Toyota Camry. I believe this goes from 1997 through 2001, so it should be all the same for those model years. Let me show you what's involved. It's very simple. We're actually today going to be changing the entire assembly. What happened here was this car is 20 years old, and about 19 years ago it was hit over here, and you could see the poor job that was done of the body work there. But it's an old car at this point, so who cares really. But regardless, the steps are the same for changing the light bulb that's in here. I'm going to change the entire fixture. See, the problem is the outer covering here is gone. Over on this side, this one's still there, and it has the orange reflector, which it's supposed to have, but it's just gone. So they, in addition to doing poor body work, they used the poor quality assembly. Now these days, you can go to a junkyard and find one, or you can buy replacement lights like this. I got one for about 20 bucks online, real easy. All you need is a flat blade screwdriver. This black button here, you need to just pry up under that, and just pry up till you get the button to pop. See, like that? And it comes out. Now this one is old and broken, that I knew already, but that's actually all you need to get this light out. And now you just grab the entire assembly, and you'll have to wiggle it like that, and it comes right out. That's right, that little plastic thing is the only thing that's holding this in the car. Alright, now on the back is the light itself. So all you have to do is twist this like that, and it pulls out, and there's the bulb. This is also the wrong type of bulb. This thing, the outer covering came off, and it damaged the amber bulb that was supposed to be here. Now you can pick up the appropriate replacement at your auto parts store. This is just the bulb I had to at least have a working marker light. So now I'm going to show you how to change the bulb. So to do the bulb, if that's all you need to change, just grab the bulb and wiggle it back and forth, and it'll come out. Now you have to pay attention. Take a look here at these contacts. The other side, to shift it over. Yes, it's rusty and green and terrible, but it still works, so we're going to leave that for now. So when you put the new bulb in, make a note of which way these contacts were, so you can put the new one in the same fashion like that. I'm now going to get the new fixture or light assembly here, and we'll put that in. Alright, this new assembly is actually nicer. It's got these drain tubes on it to allow moisture out in case it does get in. And it came with a new fixture, which is great. I can twist that, pull it out. Everything here is brand new. Even came with the bulb, all for 20 bucks. Definite score. But the problem is, the old fixture is still on the car. So if we come back over here, there's a clip. You have to press that in, squeeze it in hard, and pull that out. So here's now the old fixture. These, fortunately, are still in good shape. So we'll put that aside, and now I'll get my new light over here. You see how that goes? The bump there and the bump there. So they're just going to plug in like that, and just push it until it seats. That should be it there. And now we're going to reinstall this in the car. Now to put this back in, you have to pay attention. There's this plastic tang. See this slot here? So the tang goes behind that, and that's what keeps it from popping out of the car. Okay, so now we're just going to take the light fixture, make sure that that tab goes in there like that, and then you want to just mush it into place. There's also a clip in here, and this is just a matter of kind of feel and trying to line it up, and you get it seated. When you do, the hole up top here will allow you to put the plastic button back in. See, that other clip there goes into that black receiver right there. So you have to get that lined up and that back one in. Once you get it in, you will feel this front one click into place. So I have it almost ready. And once you get it in, it'll click into place like that. And now we're all set. Now we take our plastic button. You can take that, put it in, and then you're just gonna snap it on down like that, and we're all set. Let's test it out. So now it looks like a car again, at least as far as that's concerned. We'll go ahead and turn the light on. And there's that, and now the turn signal. It's working well. Beautiful. So there's the new assembly, and in fact, it looks better than the 21-year-old one right over here. So you can get a pair if you want and have it dress it up. You can also find replacement headlights. You can polish these, or you can buy replacements pretty cheap, and that way you can make the front of the car look a lot newer than it was. So I hope this instructional video helped you out in replacing either the bulb or the entire light fixture on your 97 to 2001 Toyota Camry. May be old, but these cars will run forever. So definitely keep it on the road, whatever you have to do. There's a lot less electronics and stuff in these cars, so a lot less to go wrong. And they're super duper reliable. In 21 years, the only time it has ever left anybody stranded was a dead battery. And for that, I had jumper cables, so we weren't stranded at all. Definitely keep these cars on the road. They're still excellent vehicles. Maybe some dings and scratches, but hey, that just adds character. Say, if this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video, and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.